Okay, this problem is from the Practice and Skills Workbook, page 137, problem number 1. Use the graph for exercises 1 through 3. In this number 1, quadrilateral J is reflected across the x-axis. What is the image of the reflection? Okay, so what we're going to do on this problem is we're going to look at J. So they're saying let's look at J, and it's going to be reflected across the x-axis. So our x-axis, I'm going to kind of outline it over here so just to make it a little easier for us to see. I'm going to make it in red. So this is our x-axis right here. And we want to know if we reflect this pre-image, what the actual image is going to look like. Well, remember that when we're reflecting across an axis, we can go ahead and we can look at the following. If I look at this point right here, the distance from this point to this line is 2. So that means that the reflection will also be 2. So it will reflect to this point. If I look at this point down here and I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this reflection should also be 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's check this point right over here. Looks like this point, if I go right to that x-axis, is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to go on the other side of it. I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm going to mark that point right here. I start right here at this point, and I got to go up 2. So 1, 2 to the x-axis, and then I'm going to go ahead and go up to 1, 2, and I'll mark this point right there. And this will be the image of the reflection. So we will say, what is the image of the reflection? That's going to be image, it will be the quadrilateral labeled as G. And that's going to be your answer.